Okay, this is just an easy way of actually running the bike without the tank attached buy an extra little container. So all you need is something like this, like a coffee jar or something. Make sure that the seal is still on. Drill 2 holes in the lid, get 2 pieces of tubing, just the normal sort of size for the fuel type hose, and then put both of the hoses actually into the lid, one just through the lid itself and one actually into the fuel itself. Okay, so fill that obviously with fuel. I'll put an extra filter in here. It's always a good idea as well. If you don't have a filter, then obviously you don't need one. And the idea is obviously you put fuel in here and then you just blow into this line here, and obviously by blowing into here you're pressurizing this little piece here, volume here, and then you're forcing the fuel out of the hose here down to the bike itself. And then you just do that initially, and then the rest of it just basically goes down. It flows freely once you've actually set up the flow down here. And this way it means that you don't actually have to have an external tank, and there's no fear of your tank falling off or anything like that. Okay.